Hi everybody, welcome back to the Crochet Nurse channel. I got my Interweave Crochet Magazine the other day. This is the summer 2021 issue, and I thought I would share it with you and we could take a peek at it together. Just FYI, I did get this as like a one-year subscription for like 10 bucks, and I think it expires in the fall. Not sure if I'm going to renew, simply because I got an email from Interweave saying that this is the last paper subscription they're going to have. Everything from fall forward for Interweave is going to be via digital only, and you guys know how I like my papers, so I'm still kind of on the fence as to whether I want to get another one of these and maybe get it in digital, although it is pretty outfits and pretty crocheted items. But like I say, I'm on the fence. We'll see how that goes. But this is summer 2021. Let's get going and take a look. So we have our summer edition. Look at that thing right there on the front. It is super pretty. It looks like a lot of double crochet, but still pretty. So today this is supposed to be summer tops, and then there's some tropical home projects. Look at that, 15 years. All right, let's get going. So what do we got? So in past times we had two sections. Or three. It looks like we only have two. Summer, sorry, and then with a twist. And that thing right there in purple is cute too, huh? All right, let's see what we got. First up, okay, we have an article, 3 women who shaped crochet, and I bet we know most of those, right? So we have Dora Orenstein. I've seen her stuff all over the place, crochet, we crochet, etc. Lily Chen and Doris Chan. Okay, nice little article. I'll read that later, see what's going on there. Let's get to the patterns. Ooh, oh my goodness, look at that. Isn't that cute? It's called Fluid Lines Cover Up. I think that's super cute. Let's take a look at the, it uses, look at the back. Now this could be worn for a summer cover-up, or even, I would do like she's doing there and put it over some shorts like that and just wear it walking around. That's cute. It says it's a size 1 yarn, but I wonder if we can get away with doing like a size 2. I bet we could. That's cute. I like that a lot. I can see myself wearing that even for as big as I am. I could wear something like that. Even that color's okay. But you know, I don't have that color. But that color is okay. Let's see what else we got. Okay, a scarf, and this is called the Tropical Bloom. Oh, it's a cowl. I like the pattern. It's okay. Not that big of a fan of cowls, as you guys know. Whenever there's a cowl pattern that comes from Mary Maxim, I typically make it into something else, so that's okay. It looks like it's, let's see, the yarn they use is Cascade Yarns. It's a Pima. It's a cotton, Pima cotton. Long enough to be worded, wrapped twice. Not a bad pattern. Not sure I'd make that though. Looks good on her. Let's see what else we got. That's a cute little top. I like that color. Yeah, pretty straightforward. That easy. Very easy top. Let's look at the pattern a little bit. There you go. Oh, a lot of V-stitch, huh? So if we like the V-stitch, and many of us do, that looks like a super easy pattern to make. And look at the back. That's cute too. I don't know if I'd make that. It'd have to be modified for me because that looks kind of frumpy. A little. No offense, Interweave, but a little frumpy there. But cute nonetheless. I like the V-stitch. This I'd probably modify. I like a box neck. V-neck, of course, is better with us bigger girls. The length, I'm liking the length on this because you can get away with just what she's doing with the skirt, and that looks cute. Let's see what we got. Ooh, here's the thing from the front. Look at that number. Ooh, look at that bottom. Nice detail. And this is called the Floating on Waves tank. It uses a size 2, and it says it's a lot of half double crochet stitches make up the body with a touch of lace ripple. So there's the front. Look at this back, guys. Let me move it away so you can get a good look. Look at that. That is super cute. Super cute. Maybe not for us girls who have big bottoms, but I can see my daughter wearing that. I seem to find a lot of stuff in here that I think my daughter would wear. That is cute. I like the fans here. Definitely summer. Again, made with the size 2 yarn. Yep, floating on waves tank. Very cute. Let's see what else we got. Okay, another cowl. This one called Fields of Gold Cowl. Made with sugar bush yarn. It's okay. Kind of an open. This would work up super fast. Definitely. I mean, this would take no time with all of that. Looks like chain. Let's look at it real close. Chain ones, double crochet, chain ones. Yeah. Easy peasy. Definitely. It's okay. Let's move on. That's the Fields of Gold, sugar bush yarns. Okay. Ooh, that's cute. Look at that purple, guys. Look at that back. Another one I could see my daughter wearing. This is called the Alfresco Tank by Allison Chu. It's a crop silhouette, open back with sweet ribbon laces. Yeah, I've seen these. The lace here. It's made in one piece with half a double crochet, so super easy to make. It's made with Line brand, merino silk. Pretty. That's pretty. I like this. That would look so cute on my daughter. I might even consider wearing something like that. Look at that. I like the front. Again, it's kind of similar to what we just saw in the other one, but because the way the stitch is different, the lines going this way would give us a little bit of slimming look. So that's good. That is cute. I bet take no time to make it all. Yeah, liking that. So a couple already that I'm liking in here for sure. Elenia wrap. Graphic fillet crochet creates a maze of interesting lines in the elenia wrap. Geometric. And it's made with Sheepy's Whirl. Let's look closer at that pattern. Maybe this one you can see. It's okay. That's a lot of work for a wrap. I'm trying to decide if that would make a good top or not. But that is pretty. You can tell a lot of work went into that. Let's move on. Okay, another wrap. Let's go to hers. This one has more detail. Look at that. This one's called the Triliage wrap by Maria Moldova. Has the picot edging. And another geometric design. You can see that there. Oh, here's a better shot. There you guys go. I like that design. Now that would look good as a top or something like that. That's cute. Very nicely done, guys. I tell you what, this magazine is surely a winner. They come up with some cute stuff. Ooh, here's that purple number from the front. This is called the Pomelo cardigan. Let's take a look at the back. Maybe you can see that piece here. Look at that. That's cute. Not sure what that design is. It's oversized pomelo cardigan, makes a wonderful laying piece for any summer wardrobe. Lace stitch pattern, fluid dropping pattern. Now, look at here we go. So we're on this side. So this is tied here. So for us big girls, this is a good ruching technique to put right over the tummy, and so that way it hides the tummy a little bit. But yeah, when you tie like that in the front, it hides a little bit of that bulkiness there. So we're going to have long strands there, so that would be a nice technique. I like this. This is also a nice deviation from the norm. So it adds interest. That also takes the eye away from the belly portion or any of the other problem areas, and it has a little bit of sleeve to hide those sleeves or hide your arms. Cute. That is pretty cute. Let's see what else. Okay. a bag. Is that what it is on this one? Yep. Sun and sand beach bag. Okay, pretty straightforward. What are they using to make? Paint box, cotton DK. Okay. That's all right. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward there. Looks like they did double strand there to strengthen that handle up. But that's pretty straightforward. That would be an easy project. Let's look at the pattern. There you go. Okay, not too bad. And that's that section. Then we have an article on shaping fillet. I'll read that. Increasing and decreasing techniques. Okay. So we have a couple articles in here. All right, now we're on to the next section. This is the with a twist. So these are a bit of whimsy to your next garden party or picnic with 4 tropical fruit-inspired home decor. Okay, I'm in. I'll take a peek at that. Citrus Grove placemats. That's what these guys are. Cute. A little bit of design work there. What's it made out of? Ooh, Lydia's crochet thread, guys. Ooh, okay. Maybe I won't make that. A little thin. Oh, what do we got here? Ooh, a cute little rug. You guys know I like rugs. Lemon slice rug. And it's made out of Mary Maxim, maximum value. Hey there, guys. Mary Maxim right there. Any room, feel a little brighter. The rug is worked from the center out in rows. This looks like one of those rugs that was made from, what is it? Jada and Stitches. She has a rug very similar to that I've seen. Yeah. That's cute. What are these guys? Drawstring bag. Okay. Classic market bag. Oh, it's a market bag with a pineapple twist. That's what it says. And the yarn is Omega Trio. That's cute too. That is a little whimsy, isn't it? So that's 2. What else we got? Oh, cute little pillow. Okay. Pink grapefruit pillow. Plymouth yarn. It's kind of cute for the outside. I don't see a size on there. The front will put your color changing techniques into play. And then it looks like the back is a solid yellow. Okay, that's doable. I'm not sure I'd make that either. What's this? And then friends and FOs. So FYI, guys, I've seen this in the other ones and I thought I'd show it to you this time. If you send in your pictures to Interweave Crochet, they will post you. And so like this one here is CC Crochet Closet. That's something that she made. And this was the Honored Sweater by and it gives you who made it. So they, just like they do in a lot of the other magazines, if you make some of the items, they will post them. So you get your picture in the magazine. Fantastic. But I thought I'd share you that this time so you can kind of get an idea. I like this top right here. That's cute. Very cute. CC Crochet Closet. All right. Guys, and that is the end. If you got questions or comments, put them in the box below. And I will see you next time, guys. Bye.